So just a quick explanation of what we are seeing in the Bitcoin market right now and the crypto market as a whole is we can take a look at the Bitcoin weekly chart and kind of see where everything is going. So my fib retrace is thrown on March of 2020. The swing low is March of 2020. The swing high is April of 2021. All right, so and then that's where we get our various fib levels. And if you notice, I've taken out the 50% fib retrace because that's not actually a Fibonacci number. Okay, people use it because it's there, but I don't like using it simply because it's there. Okay, I like to stick with the original philosophy and go from there. So Bitcoin on the weekly Fibonacci retrace, we're looking at essentially our target right now is going to be 27,169. Okay, the 61.8 fib retrace is our next big support. All right, we've got our 50-week moving average, right, sitting around about the same area, 29,367. And that's generally the first, after a big run up, that 50-week moving average is the first test of, is this market run over? All right, and generally once it touches that 50-week, it is over. Okay, it generally does dead cat off of that 50-week and then continue on down towards the 78.6 and the 200-week moving. All right, so let's jump into the daily real quick and I'll show you a couple of other interesting things. Okay, so there's a lot going on with the daily right now, and from what I can see, there ain't a damn bit of it good. Okay, so starting from top to bottom, we've got our 50-day moving average making a beeline down towards the 200-day moving average, which if those cross, if they cross each other, that is considered a death cross, and everybody starts selling. It's bad. Everybody confirms it's a bear market, and people just lose their shit. So that's the death cross. And then we have a loss of support on the 200-day moving average, a confirmation of resistance from the 200-day moving average, a dead cat, and then right now we are testing support off of the 300-day moving average. Okay, I do believe that support is going to fail. I don't see any reason for it to continue to hold. So I do think we are going to be testing the 61.8 fib here very soon. And then shortly after that, we're going to go down to the 78.6, which, we're looking at $17,000, right? So a lot of people are scared of retracing that far, but that is how far crypto likes to retrace before it even begins to think about making a turn and continuing on its macro uptrend. Okay, this is all staying within that huge uptrend that we've seen over the years, but this is just a retrace that has to happen for it to find that support and to find that liquidity of people wanting to buy. All right. Back to the weekly. Like I said, I believe personally that we are going to soon test the 61.8 fib sitting at 27,000, and that support will probably fail after a dead cat, and then we will visit down to the 78.6 because that's what history has shown Bitcoin likes to do before it continues its macro uptrend. But to end on a positive note, okay, to complete the shit sandwich, so to speak, there have been some points throughout Bitcoin history to where that 50-week moving average has shown to be support. The majority of the time it's tested after a run like this, it does dead cat and continue on. But like I said, there are points, there is evidence out there to support the idea that that's where we're going to find support is at that 50-week moving, which right now is not too far down. It's at 29,000. I mean, we've almost gotten there already, so it's not much further down than where we were a week or two ago. All right, so that's just to kind of end this all on a positive note for you. Don't want you guys kind of moping around thinking everything's all over. This is normal for Bitcoin to retrace this far. Okay, this is part of being in crypto. This is the time that I am dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, into Litecoin, into other projects that I like. Okay, you buy it when there's blood on the streets, and you sell it when price is going up. All right, well, guess what? There's blood on the streets. And that has been your 5-minute update from the Sanborn Dixon Company. Remember, nothing here should be misconstrued as financial advice. Please don't take financial advice from random people on the internet that you do not know. All right, have a good day. Bye.